Shifty toolkit.
What are we doing, Fab?
We're installing a strut tower brace bar in the front.
Have you done this before?
I've done this before on other cars, not on the Porsches though.
So what exactly does this help?
So it helps like stiffen your suspension up because it connects the two, like the tops of the strut towers together, and that's like, you know, that's where your coilovers bolt to the top of the car. So we're gonna look at it right now. I'll show you. The chassis is already like really good to begin with, so I don't know how much this is gonna do for the car, but based on how much stuff this car has, like what one more thing won't hurt, right? Like I'm running out of stuff to do, so now I'm like doing all these things that like not everyone does, but it's just like, well, if I had the time.
How much is something like this?
They have aluminum one that's 150, and then there's a carbon one for 200. Usually, for some reason, suspension stuff, it's always like a reverse way of threading. Instead of like unbolting everything, I think I'm just gonna do, yeah, because if I just do these two and I leave this one, then hopefully the suspension won't shift, so my alignment won't get messed up. Please don't make fun of my toolkit. I've had it for years. It's never failed me. No, slightly too big.
I thought you said the other one never fails you.
Well, that's why you have backups.
Now this one's clean.
This one is a little bit more organized. You know, this one used to be really organized till I let someone borrow it, and it just has never been the same since. Oh, I'm excited. New mod, finally. So I think we are good, actually. Yeah, it's the right length. So I think all we have to do is tighten it down, tighten these nuts at the end. I don't know if I'll be able to tell a difference on the street because I can never go fast enough. When I do go to the track, I feel like I'll definitely be able to feel it. It's just funny how like you watch some of these videos though where someone puts it on and then they're driving like normal speeds and they just go like this.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, I feel such a big difference. It's like, I don't know about that one.
Yeah, you really gotta push it.
A lot of times it's like just placebo, you know? Pretty easy install. I don't know why I waited so long to do it.
Now this is the front strut, right?
Yeah, front strut tower.
Do you have the back?
So the back, the roll cage I have, where it connects to the top, and it already has a bar going between. The roll bar alone already stiffened up the chassis to where I don't have to get one for the back. I need to find an Allen big enough. I don't know if I have one, but we might need to go out and get a special size one. No!
Is that the last one?
No!
Damn.
Alright, I think that's depressing.
You have another one?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta be prepared. Let's see what we got. Random tools. I don't know if we have the tools. My little toolkit failed me. We got this.
Yeah, that works.
We gotta at least tighten the bar on top. Definitely tight. And we gotta do the other side. So I think that's it. I think this is all we gotta tighten and then we're done. Cool. I actually don't have a lot of carbon on this car, to be honest.
Really? Is that what other piece do you have carbon?
The wing. The wing is off a 997.2 Cup car that crashed. So they scrapped the whole car, and my buddy, he took the wing off the car, and I was like, dude, I'll buy it off you. And then so the wing is real. The wing weighs like 2 or 3 pounds. It's insane. Yeah. I think that's the only other carbon I have on the car.
I think we need to do a build breakdown of this whole car.
Yeah, I think there's so many parts that have gone into this car, so I think that'd be a good video. I would want to know, because I mean, like, you know, the car looks crazy. You kind of want to know what's inside of it. Yeah. And there's definitely a lot more than just what the eye can see. I mean, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I think that's it. I think we're good. I don't even think we needed it. All right, let's just do this side. As long as this thing doesn't turn. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. It definitely feels connected. I felt connected to the other side. That is the test right there. I think it's good. I guess we gotta wait till the track day to take it for a drive.
And when is that?
We are hoping to go to SoCal Drivers Club in February, like February 12th. So stay tuned for that one. Everyone's like, you keep all that stuff in your car? Like, yeah, like why not? It fits. I mean, not taking any golf bags anywhere, but that's not what we have this car for anyways.